Yeah, well done, guys. Today, I want to come and show us how you can make $1,000 worth of moon juice. But first of all, before I talk about it, I have to introduce to you, explain to you what moon juice coin is all about. Moon juice is a coin that is coming up in the market, and it has only been listed in the coin market cap. Sooner or later, moon juice will be dropping out their apps and where to get their tokens. You can get moon juice through Pancake Swap using Ethereum. But today, what I'm going to teach us is how to make $1,000 through moon juice. So right away, I will show us where to get this moon juice giveaway. Now, as you can see, today I registered this one. I joined them today. My entry is 14. Then total entries of people that are entering this their mojo giveaway is 5,415. This is the day left. 9 days left for the giveaway to be closed. So guys, I want you to hurry up, be fast, and join this giveaway. Don't be left behind. It's $1,000 giveaway in prize. Mojo is giving out $1,000 in prize. Guess what? You can't miss this. Make all your available efforts to ensure that you participate in this, and it's going to be a nice one if you participate in it. Now let's look at the criteria for you to be selected. What will you do? What must you do for you to be selected in this Mojo Juice giveaway? So first and foremost, say unleash the juice. www.moonjuice.app. Say we will be giving away a total of $1,000 in BNB and MOJO. To qualify for these rewards, stack up as many points as possible. Use the method below to earn points. Be sure to check back daily / weekly. Some of these allow you to submit more than once and earn more points. Thanks for helping strengthening our community. We appreciate you. All of our early adapters will be greatly rewarded, you see. So now let's get the juice up. Now, what are the ways? 13 ways to enter in order for you to be selected for the $1,000 giveaway prize for moon juice coin. Now, first and foremost, I have already signed. This is my Twitter handle, samcrunch.com. So I have already signed. What do you need to do? So this thing, you have to fulfill them. I have some leftover that I'm yet to do. So what you need to do, the first one that you need to do is that you have to follow them at the moon juice on Twitter, of which I have done. When I tap, you say done, you have got it. You still have to follow on Twitter again about them, of which I did. So when you click it, they will direct you to your own Twitter handle, your own Twitter personal handle. Then you will follow the instructions that will be leading to that. Then you will retweet a post about the moon juice on Twitter. When you are done, you will still have to come back and tap here. Then it will tell you that you are done. Then the next one again, YouTube. You need to submit a video about Mojo to YouTube. This I haven't done because I'm yet to make a video about this. Probably after making this video, I will use this one to submit it here. I'll paste the URL here. Then I will press continue. Then it will synchronize my link using my link. Then it will, from there, it will mark it as this. To mark it good like this. Now I said done, you got it. Now the next one again, you have to join the Mojo Discord. There is an app. This is the app. This is how it looks like. Mojo Discord. That's this. Through that link, they will use it to invite you through the link. You will join through that link. Now the app is opening. You see, these are the people that are joining in. This is how it looks like. This is my own. It says welcome King Solo. Welcome to Moonjuice Discord. You are the 450th member. So this is the time I joined. I did it around 7 minutes after 5 p.m. today, Nigeria African time. So today, this is how the Discord app looks like. You have to install this app, then it will direct you to this. The link will be given to you through this. You'll get the link to download this app, or you can go ahead to Play Store to look for the Mojo Discord and download it ahead, or you can follow this procedure. Whenever you tap the link here, it will bring out a link for you to use to get the app. Then another one again, you need to engage with our TikTok channel. Mojo Juice have a TikTok channel. So what you do when you tap it, it will tell you that yes, it is good. That you have already joined it, like I myself have joined it. So when you tap it, it will direct you to give you a link that you will follow to join and like and follow them up in the TikTok. After that, you come back again and say submit. Then when you are done, the next thing again, you are going to submit Mojo Memes. What does this Mojo Memes means? This Mojo Memes is going to bring out a link for you. You're going to make a post in Twitter handle where you are going to copy and with hashtag Binance Smart Chain, BNB Smart Chain, all of them hashtag and Mojo Juice hashtag. Then you paste a media outlet. It's either you paste a video or you post an image with hashtag Mojo, BNB, and all that and the rest. Let me show you my Twitter handle, how I did it. Yeah, this is the one I did. This is what I did. See, Mojo, hashtag Mono Juice, hashtag Binance, hashtag Smart Chain, hashtag Binance Smart Chain, hashtag BSC. So these are the things. You have to retweet it. Then what you will need to do, you will go back here. Once you have retweeted this in your profile, in your Twitter handle, you go back again to this place. Then you will click submit here to say you have done that. So if I want to do it again in the next 3 hours, that is when I'm going to do it again. This one that show the time, handwork and clock time, mean that I can still come and reapply it again, because the more you apply for it, the chance you get to gain more entrance to this program. Now the next one again is for you to join Telegram community. I have to click it, tap, because I've done it. That's why it's telling me done. I have to click it and then you join their Telegram group. This is how their Telegram group looks like. Done. Telegram group, this is how it looks like. Let me show us here. This is this Mojo Juice official page on Telegram. This is how it looks like. So when you join them, you'll be directed to this place. Then going back again to the main place, Mojo Juice. Then the next one is you will need to follow them in UniRocket channel. I have joined them in that UniRocket channel. So you just click on this one, you join them. Then the next one, you visit Mojo Juice official on Instagram. I have followed them. You need to follow them again. Then you answer a question. The question might be probably like, where did you hear about Mono Juice? Like I myself, I know about it using a CoinMarketCap. Then you will type CoinMarketCap through CoinMarketCap. Then the next thing again, you click for a daily bonus entry. You have to submit something here. There is something that you need to submit here through your either you use your Twitter or use your Facebook or use your Telegram or email. Then here referral, you copy the link and send to your friends that will join. Any of your friends that clicks it and join, then you will receive a double bonus for inviting, for referral. So these are my entrance. So we're believing and hoping that yes, one day at the end of the program, I'll be selected. So my guys, join these and be fast. Hurry before it be too late. Please don't be left aside. Don't be left behind. I'm expecting you to join. Every one of us will really enjoy it and see the benefit of this program. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I plead with you, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe more for my channel, YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Let me show you my YouTube channel. Subscribe more. This is it. These are my videos. Go for it and look for crypto marketing. This is my page on YouTube. Look for crypto marketing page and join and subscribe and hit the button. Don't forget to hit the button and join this for this wonderful giveaway, and you will receive more bonuses. I'll be dropping more airdrop cryptocurrency airdrop, latest one that is online. I will drop it more when you click and press the button, subscribe, and click on notification so that you receive the notification. Thank you all. I'm expecting you all to do so. I'll see you among the winners. Bye bye. See you again.